Welcome back to the Pain series. I'm Quentin Went, founder of ColivingiQ. Heed the advice that I'm about to share with you. If you're a real estate investor and you're new and you used hard money lending in order to get into your first property, you had to go apply for a hard money loan. They gave you an appraisal for your property. Understand that that appraisal and that loan is a short-term fix. Most hard money loans have 6 to 12-month terms, and they approve the loan based upon what they believe the appraisal for the house is, quote unquote, what you would call the ARV, after renovated value. Investors in our world, they're facing a big problem right now. Appraisals for the hard money loans came in really high. So let's say for 75% loan to value, for a $400,000 appraisal, the loan would be $300,000. That's what they base the loan off of. Now, when all the renovation is done and people are moving and the business is open and you're still carrying 11, 12, 13% hard money loans, that clock is ticking. So the natural progression would be that you would transition into a DSCR loan, or a debt service coverage ratio loan. Here's where the advice comes in. Today, right now, 2026 Q2, appraisals for DSCR loans are coming in 20, 40, 60, almost $80,000 less than what they were 3 to 4 months ago. So if you are expecting your DSCR loan to come in at 75% of the same appraisal that you had on your hard money loan, you're in for some shock. Be careful, especially right now, if you're in the purchasing and you're going to start your loan. Keep that in mind, is that you better make sure that you don't have to get, the maximum appraisal value in order for you to refinance out your hard money loan. People are having to come to the table with $20, $40, $60,000 to close on their new DSCR loan. Couple different nuggets and suggestions for you. If you're not making your DSCR ratio, debt service coverage ratio, based on your average monthly rent, one of the things that you can do is reach out to realtors in the area and get rent rolls from them. But the biggest problem people are really having is appraisers are coming in low. Heed the warning and be conservative on your appraisals. Be conservative on the amount that you need for your loan to refinance out your hard money loans. Good luck.